How to buy Ripple XRP cryptocurrency for beginners tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can buy Ripple XRP as a beginner. So let's get into it. Now, the crypto market has been going down for a while and the market prices are lower than ever. So you're not going to be able to find a better time to invest in cryptocurrency as the present moment, because the prices at any day could jump back up to their all-time highs, and it's very much expected that by the new year the prices will go back up. So for any crypto token that you might want to purchase, it is a great time to purchase right now. And Ripple XRP is a token that has great potential. There are, a lot of people that are betting on the price of XRP. Shortly, I will just call this XRP. And you can see, if we take a look at the XRP chart, the price is relatively stable even in the lowest lows. So you can see when other cryptocurrencies fell down for a very long amount of time, and XRP has been gaining some margin and the price is recovering pretty soon. So you can see even in the 24-hour change, the price has gone up by 5%. So how can you buy XRP? Well, we're going to be using Binance to buy our token, and you can go on ahead and go to Binance and register your account via your email address. Once you have registered your account via your email address, you have to complete identity verification. So if you don't complete identity verification, you will not be able to purchase or trade crypto. So you do need to do identity verification. You can do this via your ID card, driver's license, or passport, and just upload a picture, and usually within 48 hours you're going to get your account verified. And now we can move to the next step, which is to buy XRP. Now, there are a few different methods that you can choose. A lot of people just click on buy crypto and just buy crypto from here, but this can usually yield you the highest prices on your crypto. So what is the cheapest way? What is the convenient way? I'm going to tell you guys all about it. Now, first off, if you go on to buy crypto over here, you can click on bank deposit. Now, this is usually just the same as going into your wallet and going into fiat and spot and depositing fiat. So you can click on deposit over here, and it's pretty much the same thing. It will lead you to the bank deposit page. It's just the same thing. And you're just going to click on the currency that you're going to be using. You're going to click on continue. Then you're going to enter the amount. So let's say we're going to take $50 out of our bank account, and you will receive 50 BUSD. And you might be wondering, hey, I want to buy XRP. I don't want BUSD. Well, just wait a second. This is the first step. So what you're going to do is you're going to take United States dollars or whatever currency you have. You're going to convert it into BUSD. BUSD is the token or the currency, you could say, that is backed by US dollars created by Binance. So this serves as a simple way for people to visualize or conceptualize crypto tokens. So you're going to convert it to BUSD from your bank account. And once you get BUSD, you're going to trade this BUSD or convert this BUSD into XRP. Now, you're going to just click on continue over here, enter your bank info, and once you do that, you're simply going to go on ahead and trade. Now, there are two options from here. Once you have your 50 BUSD, you can go into the trade section and click on Binance Convert, and this is the convenient way. So you're just going to select the top currency, and you're going to select BUSD. So you have 50 BUSD, so you're just going to enter those over here, and once you do that, you're going to convert to, you're just going to click on the second one, and you're going to select XRP. So just like that, you can enter whatever amount of BUSD that you want to convert into XRP. So you can just enter the info, then click on preview conversion, and they will show you a conversion price, what the rate that you are getting. So for 1 BUSD, I'm getting around 2.1 XRP. So that is the exchange rate that I'm getting. Now, this is a convenient way to get XRP. However, there is a drawback. This is slightly more expensive than the other ways. So if you're going to do it in a cheaper way, if you want to buy a larger quantity, then I would recommend going with the cheaper route, because you can save quite a bunch of money. But if it is not your concern, if you're doing this for long-term investments, then it might not be worth the extra hassle to do this other method. But the other method is to simply deposit your fiat, as I showed you guys in the previous step. Then you're going to click on trade, and then you're going to click on spot. Now, this will open up the crypto graphs, but don't get worried, don't get confused. They are very simple, and I will simplify these for you. So once you go on trade, click on spot graphs. Now, after that, you're going to scroll down. You're going to click on spot. You're going to click on limit. Then you're going to enter the price. So however much USDT that you might want to spend. Now, I'm going to first off select XRP. So on the top, you're going to search for XRP. And you're going to select XRP/BUSD because you have BUSD in your account. Now, after that, I'm simply going to scroll down. You're going to click on spot, and then you're going to click on limit. So you can see this is the current price. And what you're going to do is you're going to enter the price that you want to purchase XRP at. So maybe I want to purchase XRP when the price goes down to, so currently I have the price of 0.46. So let's say when the price goes down to 0.45, I want to purchase it. So I will simply enter that price over here. Then I will enter the amount of XRP I want to buy. So let's say I want to buy 90 XRP. And then after that, it will show me the total amount of BUSD this transaction will take. So the total amount will be 42 BUSD. So I'm just going to scroll down and I can click on buy XRP. And then on the bottom, this open order will show up. And as soon as this price reaches that point, I can simply, the purchase or the transaction will go out automatically. Now, this enables you to buy at a lower price than the current trading price. And usually if you are trading directly from your conversion section or directly from the bank transfer or conversion features, then you will be paying a premium of a couple of cents depending on the token that you're buying and the volume of tokens. This can really make a impactful difference. Now, after that, you can choose this method. I do recommend this method as the primary method for purchasing any crypto token because you will be able to save quite a bunch of money. However, if this is still a bit too complicated for you, you have other methods of purchase as well. Now, in the other methods, we're going to go back into our home section or basic dashboard. Now, if you click on buy crypto, I showed you guys what bank deposit means. Now, after that, you can also directly buy from your credit or debit card. So you're just going to select credit/debit, and then you're going to select the currency that your card is on, and then you will select your second currency, which for us will be XRP. And after that, you can simply enter the amount that you want to spend. Let's say I want to buy $50 worth of XRP. It will show me the conversion that I'm getting. So I'm buying one XRP for around 0.47. And you guys saw that on the open market, it's going for 0.46. So you are paying a premium, and this could be impactful, especially for larger transactions. So that is something to keep in mind whenever you are looking to buy any crypto token. But it still is a effective way to purchase crypto. So we're just going to go with our credit card info, and then you're going to click on continue, enter your card info over here, and then you will simply purchase your XRP. Now, other than this, you also have person-to-person trading. So you can directly buy from another trader as well. And you can click on more over here to see all the tokens. Currently, XRP is not supported on Binance as a person-to-person token, but if you do want, you can find person-to-person tokens for other tokens as well. Now, after that, you have third-party payment as well. So you can use a Simplex, Banksa, or Paxos transaction, and you're just going to search for XRP. And you can just enter the amount of USD you want, and then you can use your Simplex account or Banksa account to purchase XRP Ripple. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.